Today, I'm going to get this leaner out of here. It's hinged right here. I think I know a way to get it down safely. Well, that sucks. The teeth are too big on the pole saw to cut the wood there. So what I'm going to do is, I believe just a regular crosscut saw will do the trick. I'm tall enough to, let me stand below the tree. Yeah, I'm right below the tree right now. This thing is going to swing downwards, down this way, when it's loose. So I should be quite safe. I can just duck behind the tree right here too, once it starts falling. I think I'll be fine. I'm going to grab a handsaw and just lob that sucker off. Different saw. It's hanging there. Wow. Okay, that was exciting. It went from a leaner to a hanger. So now I gotta yank that out of there. There's no way I'm gonna cut this tree with that hanging in it. So I'm gonna pull the gator around here and hook a strap up to the bottom end and use the winch and pull it out of there. What I'm going to do is move a little bit of this garbage so I have easier access. The bottom of that thing is right there. So I'm going to put this tow strap on it and then hook the other end of the tow strap up to my winch, and that should pull it right out of there. If I need more power, I can run a snatch block on it, but that's a pretty damn powerful winch. So it's a super winch, but I can't remember what the rating is on it, but it should do the job. Well, she's down, and now it is dug into the ground. So what I need to do is loosen the strap, reposition the strap down towards the bottom, and pull it again. At some point, it'll just slide along this tree and end up this way. I wish that was now, but got a little digger going. Okay, I let a little slack on this. Doesn't seem to be going anywhere soon, but still, these damn leaners can be so dangerous. Okay, that should do it. Let's give her another pull. So what happened was the pointy end of this thing, this leaner or widowmaker, stabbed into the ground right there, and it was pulling against this root here. So when I put the strap down lower, I got more torque on it, and it busted the root off. So she's down, but I really need more slash. What I want to do is get up a big enough slash pile so that I can do another burn. Let this stuff dry out a bit and then do another burn. So I think I'm going to try to take that little tree right there down and bring it that way and then get the top off of it. My saw was acting up this morning while I was dicing up the cedar there. So hopefully that's running now. Otherwise I'll have to tune up the carburetor and go through all that stuff, and I might not have time. The DeWalt hedger is coming today, and I need to get the vineyard hedged. So we'll see what I can do. If the saw's working okay, I'm gonna take this one right here out. Just a quick shot to show you what's going on here. That is the walnut that I just pulled that old dead green ash out of. That one needs to come down, but it needs to come towards me. This one is in the way, this skinny little one here. So I want to take the skinny one down, and then that's probably about all I can do for slash right now. I would need to get that burned, and I'm going to take this oak out here. Then I'll have a much bigger burn area here, and I can press on. This one will need to come out in the next episode, or possibly one after that. I want to get these two out after this one's out, and I do a burn. So I played around with the saw a bit, filled her back up with gas, and let me see if it's working.